So this is Chapter 3, test number 5. And it says find the domain. Well, the denominator, which is x minus 4 squared, can't be 0. So x can't be 4. So it's going to be all real numbers except for 4. Vertical asymptote, it has a VA, which is x equal 4. Now horizontal is a little different issue. Now this is where you're going to take the limit as x goes to infinity of 2x over x minus 4 squared. Now this is one where it'd be probably a heck of a lot easier to use the old school rather than new school, because this is an infinity over infinity form. You put infinity here, you get infinity. Put an infinity down here, you're squaring it, it's infinity. So you could use L'Hopital's rule on it. So this becomes the limit as x goes to infinity of 2 over 2 times the blob times the derivative of the blob. Well, then that just is 2 over 2 times infinity minus 4, which is just 2 over infinity, and 2 over infinity is 0. But if you look, the degree of the numerator is 1. If I multiply out, the degree of the denominator is 2. You've got a 2x over x squared. X squared is going to take control, because highest power coming out of x minus 4 squared is x squared. So x squared is bigger than x, so he's going to take control. So it's going to be 0 in the denominator. It's going to be the infinity is going to be in the denominator. X-intercept, this is where the numerator equals 0 or x equals 0. So it's 0, 0. Well, y-intercept, it's a twofer. It's also 0, 0. And then we go after max, min, inflection points. Here's the first derivative. And if I take f prime, set it equal to 0, this is where negative 2 times x plus 4 equals 0, or x is negative 4. Oh, sorry. And where f prime does not exist, this is where x minus 4 cubed equals 0, or x equals 4. This is a VA, so it's a vertical asymptote. So if you remember, you've got to take that into consideration. 4 is a VA. And I don't think, yeah, you're not asked for, you're just asked for maximums and minimums. And negative 4. And if I pull my test point, namely 0. Pardon me? Because it's a square, and when you differentiate it, you get the cube. Yeah. This would be negative 2 times 0 plus 4 over 0 minus 4 cubed. Well, the numerator is negative, the denominator is negative. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. This changes because it's multiplicity 1. Negative. Negative followed by a positive is a minimum. So you have a local minimum at x equal 4. And then no maximum. because this is a VA. That's your only other critical number, but it's a vertical asymptote.
Minimum negative 4.
Oh, yes, thank you. I need to actually write that as -4.
Are we gonna have the rules sheets of like derivatives and intervals?
F double prime, we now want to find any inflection points. That's where 4 times x plus 8 equals 0. Well, x is -8. And where f double prime does not exist, it's where x minus 4 squared to the 4th can't be 0. X can't be 4. That's a VA. I only have one thing. What does he have to be? What's -8? What does he have to be? He has to be an inflection, right? And because the other guy's a VA, so if you pull 0, you will find you would have 4 times 0 plus 8 over 0 minus 4 to the 4th. This is 32 over -4 to the 4th is negative something. It's positive something. Right. So this is a positive, this is positive, change negative. So this is concave down, concave up. That's an inflection point. That's the only thing he can be. He's multiplicity 1. There's going to be a change across there. Didn't have to graph him.